Okay, so hello there guys, Sam again with another video unboxing. So today I have some goodies from Magicshine. There's a company that makes flashlights. They asked me to make a little unboxing review on some of their flashlights. So I choose three. I mainly choose two flashlights. The other one is a beta testing unit, so it's not in stores yet. But I will show you now the really cool feature that this one has. So let's get into the box. I have already opened it. I couldn't wait, so let's see what's inside. First, as you can see over here, you can see it, yeah. This is MTL60. This is a hunting flashlight from Magicshine. The next one is MOH25. So this is the other one. And last but not least, this is the beta unit with a really cool feature. I will show you in this video. It's called MTL30B. And what else? It's a little stickers from Magicshine. So yeah, let's leave this aside and let's step to the first unboxing review. Will be this one. This is the MTL60 hunting flashlight. So here we have the MTL60. So outside the box, as you can see, we don't have much info. On the back of the package, let me get out this plastic. See it clearly. There you go. So as you can see, some info on the back. So this is what we have inside the box. This is the actual flashlight. It's quite a big flashlight. It's not the smallest one. But again, this is for hunting, so it's not for everyday use. You can get it in your backpack, of course, but not into your pockets. We have a small accessory box, and we have some small info over here in Chinese, and of course in some other different languages, English, yeah. Also, it comes with a holster, a charging cable, micro USB, as you can see over here, a little lanyard with the Magicshine logo on it, a replacement part, this O-ring, and it comes with a little pouch. Can be used for belts, again with a little Magicshine logo on the side. So let's see how it can be used. Yeah, just like that. It's really small pouch, but easy to use. Let's leave this aside. Let's step into the actual flashlight. So as you can see, we have a really big glass. It also comes with a little clip. Here on the front, as you can see, we have the logo and the model and the on-off switch. Also we have a momentary switch on the back. So from here you can power on and off, and from the front you can change the actual modes. So this one, let's see, so this one it's the lowest, and this one is 5 lumens. The next one is 30 lumens, low, mid, 100 lumens, 500 lumens, and this is 1000 lumens. Don't know if you can see on the back we have a description of 1000 lumens. So long press, get into the strobe, press again, we have the actual SOS mode, and strobe again. So let's see if we have memory. No. Also we have a little LED indicator over here. You can check how much percent is the battery. So if this flash is red, we have 1% up to 24% battery. If it stays red, we have 25% up to 49. If it flashes green, we have 50% up to 74. And now, as you can see, it illuminates green, stable. We have 75 up to 100% battery. So that's an easy way to see how much battery you have on the go. That's really cool. So I have 1000 lumens now, and there's nothing hot on the surface over here, so the heatsink over here really works perfect. Okay, let's open the back. I did not show you before. So here we have the O-ring, as you can see. You can replace it with the one on the package, this one. And we have, I don't know if you can see it, a spring on the front and on the back, so it's quite shockproof also for vibrations. This one. So here we have the actual battery. You can see it. Magicshine, 3500 milliamps battery. This is the rated 3.6 volts, 12.6 watt hours. It also has protection circuit built in, and the cool thing about this one is that you can charge it on the go again with a power bank on the side. We have a micro USB connection, so let me show you with the included cable. This one, just stick it on the side, so that's there. There you go. Just stick it into your outlet or power bank, and you can see immediately it lights up red. It has a red LED inside there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, just like that. So when it finishes charging, I guess it will go off. Let's see.